Today we're unboxing the Gabriel-Glas Gold Edition and the Coravin Model 2 Elite. Welcome to the show. We're going to do something a little bit different today. First, we are going to unbox our new Gabriel-Glas Gold Edition. These are hand-blown glasses, some of the lightest on the market. At just over 90 grams, the Gold Edition is actually lighter than a Zalto glass. We want to thank Gabriel-Glas International for sending us a set of 6 to be featuring in our upcoming videos on the wines of Santa Barbara County. Stay tuned to our videos because there will be a discount code for 15% off some Gabriel-Glas Stemware. Now we're unboxing the Coravin Model 2 Elite. We have used a Coravin Model 8 that was the first one in the past, and we've really enjoyed it. Thanks to Coravin and Tilson PR for participating and sending us a trial unit to use in our upcoming video series. You can see the 2 argon canisters right there. Let's take a look here. We have a carrying case. Excellent. And I think a needle cleaning device. Then we're going to take a look at the Coravin Model 2 Elite itself. The Model 2 Elite has chrome accents, which makes it a little bit more stylish and trendier than the regular Model 2. Looks like we have Coravin sent the silver edition. The Model 2 Elite also features a faster flow needle, a thin wall needle that improves flow about 20%. Coravin also was nice enough to send us an aerator, which attaches to the spout here and acts as a turbo decanter. Actually, take a look here, unbox this. We're excited to use this bad boy as well. Alright, next is the screw cap. One of the arguments is Coravin didn't work with screw cap in the past. These are 2 screw caps with a membrane on them. I think Coravin says it allows 50 punctures per screw cap, and it keeps wines fresh for 3 months. And they came here in 2 sizes. We're looking forward to using some of that because we have over 70 different samples of wine from Santa Barbara County. So stay tuned to our videos and you'll see this stuff in action.